All right, hello everybody, Simon here, and today we've got a brand new unboxing, and we are looking at national flag cards. All right, everybody, so we have our national flag cards box full of flashcards, 180 in total of flags from all around the world. My absolute favorite, my joy. Okay, a fantastic box this one. Shichida's really outdone themselves with their new box designs, I think. We've got national flag cards here in English. It shows you this is the front, the reverse side as well here, and some other similar products like the flag matching activities and the country geography shapes one as well. Okay, hey, let's get into it. I know what you're here for, so have a look inside the box. Ooh, if I can open it. Oh, a little bit of a different locking mechanism to the other flashcards. Okay, opens at the bottom. Hey, do you know what? Simon needs to get some scissors. Okay, I've got my scissors. So let's open up this one now. All right, so at the front, just gonna put a little incision here. Let's have a look. Just gonna open this bad boy up. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, Albania. Okay, so we have our little instruction booklet. Okay, teaching you how to do flashcards, how to hold them properly, saying flick from the back to the front, okay? The rest of it is a list of what we have. Okay, so what flashcards we have in here. We have Asia, we have South America, North America, Europe, and Oceania down the bottom there. So they're all listed into their categories of where they are in the world. So pretty cool stuff in here. All right, let's have a look. All right, we've got two different piles. Woo. Look at that, Japan, Albania. Okay, so number one, Japan. Look at that, a thick stack of cards. And on the other side, another thick stack of cards. Hey, we'll fold this one down, we'll put that to the side. Let's have a look. I might also put this one over here for a bit, just out of shot there. All right, let's have a look. Oh, hey, these ones are much newer than the ones we have in class, actually. So they've kind of gone a bit further, and now they've got color on the back. Hey, so we have Bulgaria here, so we've got the Bulgarian flag, okay? On the back, a little bit more information than the old ones used to have. So we have the country in Japanese, Bulgaria, or Bulgaria in English. That's officially the Republic of Bulgaria. Has the capital city, so we know it's Sofia, okay? And yeah, and then the rest of it just details a bit about the country, okay? It's in Europe, and it's down here, okay, in Europe. That's really cool. I love this. Oh, perfect. Oh, the colors. Romania. Hey, let's have a flick through them. So yeah, flashcards, start from the back, go to the front. If you want to be faster, get that 0.6 seconds, use a little rubber thimble, little thummy, okay? So we have Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary. North Korea, South Korea, Japan. Whoa, first set, that was pretty cool. Lots of fun places there. Hey, let's have a look at set number two. I'll just pop those ones off camera down here. Ugh, I've got my next set. Ooh, Albania. Oh, there's some new ones in here as well I've never seen before. So they've added a couple more ones from Oceania as well. So, and also Maldives there was a new one that I've never seen. So we got, oh, cool, Micronesia. And you can see where it is inside, Oceania there, or the Pacific. Okay, a little zoom in. Oh, that's cool, Micronesia. Oh, Marshall Islands. Oh, great. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'll go through them. Fiji, oh, Palau, Vanuatu. Oh, I can't say this one. Look at that. Niue. Huh. It's always good to practice these because if you're Australian, these are our neighbours, Oh, Nauru, Tonga, Tuvalu, Solomon Islands, Samoa, the Cook Islands, Kiribati. Croatia, North Macedonia. This is actually quite new because it's only been recently that they've changed their name to North Macedonia, so cool. Georgia, Kyrgyzstan, Cyprus. Two Cypresses? Well, see if your set has a bonus Cyprus. Australia, Bolivia. Oh, that's another cool part. Okay, So here we have Bolivia, and sometimes the countries have different capitals. So this one, like the capital is La Paz, but you know, technically the constitutional capital is Sucre. Okay, so some countries have, you know, a de facto capital and an actual kind of official capital. So it's got double information there for us. And Albania back there again. So that was another set of fantastic cards, another 90. I love these. Hey, both of these, fantastic if you're into world flags. In general, I can't hold them up. I want to buy a set of these. All right, everybody, national flag cards, fantastic product to get to enjoy at home. All right, thanks for watching.